Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, and SHIB in that order. Especially SHIB, guys. What a run! Let's see if it can sustain. We're going to go over that in a big way as well. But we're going to concentrate on Bitcoin right here. We are getting a bounce off of $58,000. I want to see if that holds up. Now, in yesterday's video, we were right here, and before, well, actually, we were down at the bottom of this move. We were down at 59,800, and I said, there's a potential bounce here, guys, when I made the video. And we did bounce. Bitcoin went up 3%. Everything started ripping after I made the video. We got a great bounce. SHIB ripped and it never stopped. But then Bitcoin, after we got rejected up here, which I didn't see this one coming at the rejection point, which I should have, because if I look at this touch point here and this touch point here, I should have seen that yesterday, and that's on me, guys. But 61.15 area, we got rejected, and then we just came down. It just came downhill, and everything went with it. Ethereum, Matic was on a heck of a run up to that point. I think it was up like 15% or something, and then the crash happened and went down to $1.60. Now it's back up to $1.80. Cardano went down. Solana went down. They all went down after this Bitcoin crash. The only thing that kept going was SHIB after my bounce, but we're going to go over that. So let's see, guys. This is what I'm looking at, the Bitcoin on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. That's not looking that great either. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Just sideways right now. So a lot of sideways movement on Bitcoin. Let's see where this develops. If this starts to go down, like I said, and break 58, this could get ugly quick, guys. Let's see, 58. Let's go to the daily. Let's see what we got. Let's make sure we're not missing anything. 58. Touch points here. No. Oh, right here. So maybe 57,600 area, or 57,550 area. Around that area, we could see a bounce. So keep an eye on that area. Now, if that area doesn't hold, then yeah, I'm looking at 56,800 to 56,500. So we'll see what happens there. Oh no, what did I just do? I just changed our line there by accident. Let me move that back up. So that's what I'm looking at, guys, for Bitcoin to hold. For a bounce, let's see if it bounces here. I like to see a 4-hour candle closing above 60,000 again for more continuation. If we do see that, then maybe we can get past this 61,500 area. So that's what I'll be looking at for Bitcoin. For Ethereum, guys, we had our come up and then we had our dump. This is just, it dumped on Bitcoin. The only thing, like I said, didn't was SHIB. Okay. But this is on the 4-hour. Let's look at the daily, guys. The daily, it's not looking that great. I've seen things turn around from here before because we are low. But it's not looking that great. Maybe 39 can hold up here. If not 39, let's see if we get 30, 38, 90 area. 38, 90 area. There's a couple touch points there. Let's go back. Let's make sure. Actually, you know what? Let's go down to 38.85 area. Okay. Or even, no, let's go right here. Let's what happens. Go to this touch point. Anything else? Yeah, I actually like that. So, yeah, 38.80 area on Ethereum. That would be what I would be looking for if this does start to continue to drop. Could we see a bounce off my purple box coming in right around 39? Yes. But if not, then yeah, then I'll be looking down for 37.50 area too, guys, as well. Actually, you know what? Let's see. Is this on the daily? 37. 3758 area. That could be an area of a bounce. So let's see what happens here, guys, with Ethereum. To the upside, I want to see us get back above a 4-hour candle or even get a daily candle, which is about an hour and 15 minutes above 4,000 would look nice. And then maybe we can get back above 41 and then start scooting back up to the upside. But that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Now, a lot of this has to do with Bitcoin, guys. So let's see if Bitcoin can get a nice close here. Matic was looking great, guys. We got all the way up to 93. I mean, coming out of this move that we talked about, that was after the retest, because we like to buy on the retest, like I always say, 37% move. That was a nice move. And you can see where the 93 did come in over here. Which I had 98, so that's on me. You know, that was a tough one. We actually were gonna get this is the worst part, guys. For me, we were getting ready to break this and get to 98, and right when we hit this level, Bitcoin tanked. So it's just one of those things where, you sometimes in technical analysis, you get these things where you thought that the momentum would carry us past certain levels, and it just didn't. So it just didn't happen. It's very rare this happens to me, but I was not expecting the Bitcoin dump. I thought we'd go a little higher before they would dump it. I didn't, and then now we're kind of ranging in this weird area right here. This is kind of awkward right now because a lot of people got liquidated, but there's still some people trying to go long here. So there's a lot of confusion in the market. So maybe a little sideways or a nice bounce. That's what I'm looking for. Let's go back to Matic, guys. Let's look at the 4-hour because I still like Matic. I still think it's going to go a lot higher. 175, I want to see 175 hold up. It would be nice to get a daily candle closing above this 180. And you know what? I want to see, we had 158, so I want to see the 158 hold up. If we do get a little bit lower, daily candle closing above 180 would look nice. 185, and then get a 4-hour candle closing above 194 area, and then maybe we could push to the upside and actually hit our target up here at $2.82. Okay, that's what I'm looking at for Matic. Cardano, guys, just flopped like a fish. Bitcoin went down. I had 187. It got down to, it looks like 185. And then we got a nice bounce. It came back up to $2. But then it dropped and it's holding support. Look at this, a double bounce off of my $1.90. So $1.90 is looking like it's holding good support. Can we draw a little trend? I don't like these hour trends. I like to see some more sideways action before I'd see anything break. But this could break and get back up to $2.01. But let's see how Bitcoin reacts, guys. It goes down to Bitcoin. So 190, I want to see hold up. I'd like to see it get a 4-hour candle closing back above $2.01. You can see, guys, how my technical analysis worked perfect here. We got rejected at the $2.01 after we came down. We bounced off the 190. And now I want to see a 4-hour candle closing above there. And then I would really like to see us get above the $2.12. If we can do that, then maybe we could peak up to 220. Okay. Solana, guys, same thing, man. Just Bitcoin's going down as we speak. And Solana, we got our bounce zone here. You can see even on the 1-hour, we came down, we bounced it here sideways, and now we're coming back into this zone. I would like to see the 180 to or 182 to 178 hold up. If that doesn't hold up, then 167 to 162. And then even the 155. I mean, it's getting ugly. I don't know what to tell you guys. Matic's holding up good. Shib is holding up great. I mean, it's holding up okay. I mean, but it's down 8% so it's not. I wouldn't say necessarily holding up okay. But let's see what we got on the 4-hour. Daily's not looking too good. The 4-hour is not looking good at all. This can all turn around, though. We still got an hour. Guys, this is in the last hour. They like to bring these things up to turn it around the daily to get the pump. So let's see what happens on the last hour. I would like to see us get a 4-hour candle closing back above $2 to make this, or $200 to make this interesting. And then maybe test this upside at 218. That's what we're looking at for Solana. SHIB, guys, I mean, come on. I mean, I just did a video, for all those weeks I was begging, even before it hit Coinbase, get it on. It was on Webull. Get it on Webull. Then when it got on Coinbase, guys, get it on Coinbase. Buy. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. Now, yesterday's video, we talked about these potential areas. We ripped through them all. And then this was my high. And actually, this was an older video where I did the high. I don't know if I actually did put this high in because I actually didn't think we were going to move this fast, this hard, guys. Kind of shocking that I thought we were gonna we broke out of here. I was telling you guys I thought we were gonna go up at least 300%, maybe get up to this point, and then maybe come back down to this 16, 17 area, which we never did. We hit 20 and it never looked back. But we're getting close to these highs, guys. I mean, the market cap is getting up there. Let's look. It's going a little faster than I thought. I mean, even if we went up to the 618, we're looking at another 82%, and that's almost at 14. I mean, that's dropping zeros. That's a lot to get up there. The market cap would have to push up a lot. I mean, this is getting a little crazy, guys. Usually when something moves up this fast, there's a big pullback. We had a big pullback, and then I know Coinbase and some of the market structures, they actually collapsed on so you couldn't even buy it on the pullback. I think you could have bought it maybe on some other exchanges, but I know Coinbase was down. But it's looking good. What do you guys want me to tell you? It's an ugly chart? No, this is looking absolutely fantastic. You could see we did hit on the 4-hour, we did hit my fib right here. So let's see if we can get a 4-hour candle closing above this 9,000 area. If we can, then yeah, there is a possibility that we get up into this area here, this 11 to 12, 11 278 to 12 472. 4 hours looking good, daily's looking good. I'm looking at more continuation. There's still an hour left. I mean, this thing can turn red right here. We can get a pullback maybe down to 60 or 6,000 or 59,900. Besides that, guys, SHIB is looking good. Let's see if we see anything on the 1 hour. No, it looks like a trend continues. Let's draw a little trend here from this bottom to this top. Draw a little trend, and it looks like more continuation. Now, we got to be cautious here, guys. Like I said, it does look like more continuation, but I mean, guys, this thing has ran up. I think it's over 1,000% now since I started telling you guys to buy the bottom. Okay, which was down here. I was buy every dip, guys. I told you every single dip to buy, and like I said, not a financial advisor, just my opinion, educational purpose only. But I mean, from even back here when I was begging people to buy this, trying to get you guys to get free stuff, everything I was trying to do for you guys, we were up 1,100%, guys. Everybody's in the money on this. I don't care who you are. If you bought, you're in the freaking money on this. Okay, you're in the money. So I'm expecting some kind of pullback at some point. And if this thing doesn't get listed, how much time do we have? If this thing does not get listed on Robinhood on in the beginning of November here, we could see one of the biggest tank jobs. I'm not trying to scare people, but you got to be aware of this as well, guys. Uh, I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I took my initial investment out, and now everything's just free. So for me, all this has just been just free money. Um, and if you're up, I mean, I recommend doing that because then it's like, who cares what happens? It's kind of like if it does tank, it's like, well, yeah, it sucks. You could have made a lot more money, but at the same time, you didn't lose a dime. So just keep that in mind, guys. Don't get too greedy, is what I'm saying. Greed can sometimes really hurt you. There's no guarantees on anything. The market cap is extremely high right now, higher than I could imagine this fast. I thought we could get up to this point, guys, but I thought like maybe after we got listed on Robinhood. Okay. Not before. Because now if we get listed, it's like skyrocket. How far? What are we going to be third behind Ethereum in market cap? To me, that's kind of dangerous. Just like I was telling people, when Doge got to 70, I was like, man, you guys, I would be selling this thing so quick. I sold out a lot earlier, and I wish I would have held it. But I mean, guys, you got to make money in this game. You got to make money to stay in this game and to be successful. Okay. So just remember that. So be careful here. Be careful here. Be careful up here. Let's see what happens. But this is looking good, guys. It's still looking like more continuation. I don't even know if Bitcoin even matters because Bitcoin went down and this thing kept going up. So you can see the beautiful reversal candle that we always talk about right here, guys. This was a sign, hey, we're going here, okay? So when you see that kind of hammer, boom, we talked about that. I think it was yesterday's video. So I think that's it for tonight, guys. Keep an eye on this. We still got about an hour left. I'm going to put my link to Twitter and my link to Webull in the description. But trade cautious right now. The markets are acting kind of funny. SHIB is really, really extremely high, higher than I thought at this point. Hey, I'm loving it, guys. We're in it. We're all making money. Listen, I'm happy for every single one of you, but we still got to be a little cautious here, okay? So much love to you guys. Peace out. And make sure you guys sub and make sure you guys share because I want to go live so I could do other. I don't want to keep doing these same charts. I want to start doing other charts for you guys, but I want to go live. But I want to at least make sure I have 1,000 subs because if I have 1,000 subs, I want the chat room to be active. I don't want to start a chat room and there's 10 people in it, or 20 people in it. You know what I mean, guys? So make sure you guys hit the thumbs up to get my videos out there so I get more subs, okay? Share my videos. Do whatever you guys can. Get my videos out there, please, so we can grow this and so we can get this channel going and moving. I've only started this channel 4 months ago. All of you guys, I mean, if you guys would have followed my trades, we're well over 1,000% gains on pretty much everything we've touched. We're up over 100% or higher. I mean, it's been absolutely ridiculous. Thousands percents on Solana, on SHIB. Cardano, we got up to a couple 100%. Matic, we were buying in at 69% and it went up to $2.80 something percent or $2.82%. I think that was like a 200% gain. Ethereum, we got down to 1740 and I said, guys, I'm buying right here. Bitcoin, it got down to 29. This is ever since I made my channel. I said, this is 29,500. I'm buying. So we've been on spot. Guys, share this so everybody can make wealth, okay? So much love to you guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you get the thumbs up. It helps the channel, with other people watching it. So I really appreciate you guys and peace out.